That's the easy and perfect and very interesting answer. Okay.
It's the writing as like a doctor. Okay.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is the differential equation 6th video, and this is the homogeneous linear equation with variable constants. Now, there's the homogeneous and linear. It's the very important term. Okay, first of all, I want to say you that what is the difference between the linear equation and the homogeneous linear equation. Now, at first, differential linear equation form. Okay, I take you the first of all form. Okay, now you also watch this. D2y by dx2 plus dy by dx plus y equals to x. Well, now we can write it as a general term, that says d to the power n y by dx to the power n plus p1 d to the power n minus 1 of y by dx to the power n minus 1 dot 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 plus pn y equals to x. That's it, and this is the linear equation. Okay, now I take the homogeneous linear equation. Well, that's the homogeneous linear, and first of all, that's the linear, only linear, and this the homogeneous. Okay, here you can watch like this: x square times of d2y by dx2 plus x times of dy by dx plus y equals to x. Now, so therefore the general equation becomes x to the power n times of dn y by dn dxn plus p1 times of x to the power n minus 1 times of dn minus 1 y by dx n minus 1 plus dot 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 of pn y equals to x. So now x to the power n, then d to the power n y by dxn, and if the x to the power 1, then it's become d to the power 1 y by dx1. Okay, that's the homogeneous linear equation. That's so. Now first of all, watching the some example. So now it's not example, it's very important. Okay, here also you become to let that x equals to e to the power z as well. If x equal x times of dy by dx, okay, and again t times of dy by dt, then let t equals to e to the power z. Okay, and if y times of dx by dy, then let y equals to e to the power z. This is very important. Okay, that's very simple and important. Okay, and now taking log both sides, therefore it's become log x equal to z. So now first of all, derivative 1 times, so therefore 1 by x equals to dz by dx. It's very simple. And now dy by dx, it's became dy by dz times of dz by dx. Okay, so now this dz by dx equal to 1 by x, putting here, and this and input 1. So now 1 by x times of dy by dz and by 1 as well, I take it. So now d2y by dx2, so second order derivative. Okay, so it's become 1 by x square times of dy by dz plus 1 by x times of d2y by dz2 times of this. Okay, so dz by dx, that is very easy. Okay, so 1 by x square minus dy by dz plus 1 by x square times of this. So therefore it's become d2y by dz2. That's very easy. And now 1 by x square is taking common, so dy by dz minus d2y by dz2, it's becoming. So now we can write it again. I take one line. Okay, so d2y by dx2, that's equals to 1 by x square times of this and this. So therefore we can write it, it's minus. Okay, I'm sorry, very I mistake. That's so now 1 by this x derivative is x minus of x to the power minus 2 of d, that is minus of 1 by x square. Okay, so therefore I am mistake, sorry for that. And now that's equals to 1 by x square times of dy by dz2 minus dy by dz. Okay, so now first of all, the left hand side become to right hand side the x square, so therefore numerator become to denominator and denominator become to numerator. That's it. So therefore it's become the second order derivative, that's coming the square. Okay, so now first of all watching this, so therefore we can write it 1 by x square times of d naught square minus d naught. Okay, as well d naught means dy by dz and d means dy by dx. Okay, I if I write here, so now d naught equals to d by dz and d equals to d by dx. Okay, so don't mistake on dz and dx. Okay, so now x square times of d2y by dx2, it's coming here. I also say you that the left hand side become to the right hand side. So now that's equals to x square times of d2y by dx2 equals to d naught square minus d naught equals to d naught times of d naught minus 1. Okay, so now x square times of d2y by dx2, that's equals to d naught times of d naught minus 1. It's very easy. As well, if you have the x times of dy by dx, that's only the d naught, that's equals to. Okay, so I write here the x times of dy by dx equals to d naught only, I write here. Okay, and that's it. That's very easy and very simple. Okay, now therefore x times of dy by dx equals to x times of d by dy. Okay, so that's equals to d naught of y as xt, that's mean d naught. It's very easy and very important and very interesting also. So now x square times of d2y by dx2, that's equals to d naught times of d naught minus 1 whole times of y. So similarly we can write it the x square x cube x to the power 4 something dot 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 of x to the power n also. So now write here the x cube times of d3y by dx3, that's equals to d naught times of d naught minus 1 times of d naught minus 2 of y. That's it. So now again x to the power 4 times of d to the power 4y by dx4, that's equals to d naught times of d naught minus 1 d naught minus 2 d naught minus 3 of dot 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 power y. If x4 to, so that's becomes to the minus 3. Okay, as well minus 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 if x to the power 4. So now first example, I take this paper on Telegram page. Follow on the description box and the I button link. Okay, and you can take the pin button comment box. So first of all watch this and take a member of my Telegram page. Okay, and this equation is homogeneous as well, the x square and the denominator is dx2 and again 3x and denominator is dx. Okay, so now first of all watching this, the AE, CA, PI and GS. AE means you know the what's AE equals to, so please say me on the comment box. Well, so now the given equation is this, I also write it and this and this. Okay, so we can write the given equation is, okay, the given equation is how much. First of all taking, let, okay, taking x square x, therefore x equals to e to the power z, some simple, and now taking log both side, therefore log x equal to z. Okay, so now d naught times of d naught minus 1, I also say on the first, plus 3 times of d naught plus 1, that's it, times whole times of y equals to 0. Okay, that's mean d naught square, I also write here. So now minus d naught plus 3 d naught, that's equal to plus 2 d naught, I also write here, and y equals to 0. That's it, and this stuff clean up. Okay, so now that's d naught plus 1 times of d naught plus 1, it's coming here. So now I also write here, so d naught minus sorry plus 1 times of d naught plus 1 a whole times of y, that's equal to 0. So first of all watching the AE, also comment me what's the full form of AE and what's the full form of CA, PI and GS. Okay, I also watch your all comments, and if you have any question then I solve that. So AE equals to becomes M, so therefore M equals to minus 1 and minus 1, two types of minus 1. So now CF equals to becomes the M equals to minus 1 and minus 1, that's becomes C1 plus C2Z. Okay, so now C1 plus C2Z whole times of e to the power minus z, so C1 plus C2 log x from the late series. Okay, here, and now watching this e to the power minus z, that's equals to, this way important. So now that's equals to x times of minus 1, That's it. And this the CF. And now watching the pi and find the pi value of from this. So now that's equals to, we also write here the d naught square plus 2 d naught plus 1 hold of 0. That's mean pi equals to 0. So therefore, so y equal, sorry, not y, here also gs. Also same the full form of gs, pi and cf and ae. Okay, so now gs equals to cf plus pi, and here pi equals to 0, therefore gs equal to cf, that's equals to y equals to this. So c1 plus c2 log x times of x inverse. Okay, now the second question is x square times of d to the power 3y by dx3 minus 2 dy by dx equals to 0. Now this the solution. Okay, so that's therefore it's coming that this cube, this square, and this x and this x to the power 0, that's mean 1. Okay, so it's again it's the homogeneous equation. It's very important and very easy. Okay, now first of all multiply both side by x, so it's coming x cube times of d to the power 3y by dx3 minus 2x dy by dx equals to 0, and here x and x cube. Okay, so therefore it's become the perfect homogeneous linear equation. It's mean linear, it's also linear, but it's also homogeneous linear equation. That's it. Now let the x equals to e to the power z, that's mean log of x equal to z. So therefore d naught times of d naught minus 1 times of d naught minus 2 minus 2 d naught. Okay, so therefore y equals to 0. So therefore it's become the d naught cube minus 3 d naught square again of y, that's equal to 0. So first of all we can take a common function, so that is d naught square times of d naught minus 3 of y, that's equals to 0. Now the find the ae. Okay, so ae equals to m square minus m minus 3 equals to 0, and m equals to become 0 comma 0 comma 3. That's it. So CF it's become very interesting, that is, so not y. Okay, so c1 plus c2x x naught, that's z. As well we take also the x equal to e to the power z. So c1 plus c2 z time whole times of e to the power 3z and plus of c3 e to the power 3z, and here e to the power 0, that's mean 1, so it's become 1. And now c1 plus c2 times of log x time plus c3 x cube, that is, as well we take the x equal to e to the power z and log x equal to z, therefore z equals to mean log x, it's coming here. Why c1 c2 and c3 are arbitrary constants. I also say on the my first of all the sixth video. Okay, so watching the 1 2 3 4 5 6 whole videos, and this the seven number of 7 video of differential equations. Okay, so now question number 3 is x square times of d2y by dx2 plus 6x plus, sorry, 6x equal to x times of log x, that's it. Now let x square and 0 of x, that's mean it's a homogeneous equation. So therefore let x equal to e to the power z, that's mean log x equal to z, that's it. So now d naught times of d naught minus 1 of minus 6, that's equal to y. So now x equal to e to the power z right here, and log x equal to z, that's mean right here. So now that's become the d naught times of d naught minus 1 minus 6, that's why d naught square minus d naught minus 6, that's mean d naught minus 3 times of d naught minus 2. So therefore d naught minus 3 times of d naught minus 2 of y, that's equal to e to the power z times of z. That's it, and clean up the graph. Okay, now that's when the ae is become, okay, that's very easy. So m, sorry, m minus 3 times of m minus 2, that's equal to 0. So m becomes the 3 comma 2. Okay, so cf it's become again, that's the c1 times of e to the power 3z plus c2 e to the power 2z. Okay, so here c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant, a r b I t r a r y. Okay, arbitrary mean arbitrary constant, con st and ts, constants as two arbitrary constant. Okay, so now this e to the power 3z, that means c1, and from this e to the power x square, sorry, x cube plus c2 x square. Okay, from this it's the pi form as well the pi not equal to 0. Yeah, so find the pi also, it's very important. So therefore pi equals to 1 by d naught square plus minus d naught minus 6 times of z times of e to the power z. That's mean e to the power z. I also say that why it's coming on the second video. Okay, so watch that link on the description, I button and pin comment. Okay, d naught square plus 2 d naught plus 1, that's mean this coming here. So d naught square plus d naught minus 6, that's this. So therefore it's coming, sorry I change my pen. Okay, e to the power z of 1 by d naught square plus d naught minus 6 of z, that is. So e to the power z times of minus 6 is common, so minus 6 of 1 plus d naught square plus d naught minus 6 by 6 of z, that is. So e to the power z by minus 6, that is 1 plus d naught square minus plus d naught by 6 minus d naught square plus d naught by 6 whole square plus dot 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 of infinity times of z. Okay, so now first of all that's mean e to the power z by 6 minus of, that's coming the z plus this. So z d to the power minus 2, that means 0, and z 1 times derivative, that means 1. So 0 plus 1 by 6 minus 0, that is. So therefore e to the power z by 6 times of z plus 1 by 6, that is. And I think I take mistake, I also say that the 1 by it's becoming the minus 6. Okay, this is the minus 6. Yes, as well here the minus 6. Okay, sorry for that. And now x equal to e to the power z, that's mean minus x by 6 and log x equal to z. Therefore it's coming the very simple and easy process, that is the log x plus 1 by 6, and this the pi. Okay, so therefore this is the cf and this is the pi. So therefore we also know that the gs equals to cf plus pi, that is. So therefore it's coming the c1 times of x cube plus c2 x square minus x by 6 whole times of log x plus 1 by 6, that is. That's the easy and perfect and very interesting answer. Okay, that's very important and very easy. Thank you for watching this. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Never miss press the bell icon. I'll follow me on Instagram page. Okay, so now the question number 4, it's very important. So now here x plus a whole square times of d2y by dx2 minus 4x plus 1 a times of dy by dx plus 6y equal to x. Okay, so therefore we can take the x square and here also x square. Okay, and there is the x and is the x. Okay, and this the 1, x to the power 0, that's mean 1. It's the homogeneous form, it's the writing as like doctor. Okay, homogeneous like doctor. Let x plus a equals to e to the power z, that's mean log of x plus a equals to z, so d naught times of d naught minus 1, and now minus 4 d naught plus 6 y, that's mean it's coming y, and that's equals to x. It's very easy, interesting and very successful. So now it's very important that x plus a equal to e to the power z here. So therefore e to the power z minus a, that's equal to x, we can write it. So x equal to e to the power z minus a. So first of all as well you have the 2x square 2x plus 1 whole square, that's mean 4 d naught times of 4 d naught minus 1. If you have 3x square plus 1 whole cube, that's mean 3q, that's mean 27 of d naught times of d naught minus 1 times of d naught minus 2, that's it. That's very easy, interesting and important. You have that, all of that. I take also x plus a, you have that. Okay, so take a screenshot of that function. So now that's become the d naught square. Okay, minus d naught plus, sorry, minus 4 d naught plus 6 y, that's equals to e to the power z minus a, that's mean d naught minus 5 d naught plus 6 y, that's equals to e to the power z minus a, that's the coming and very easiest function. So now ae, that's mean I don't say. Okay, watch my previous videos 1 to 6, then You understand that. So now d m square times of 3 plus 2 m plus 4, that's mean it's coming here. So m times of m minus 3 and minus 2 coming m plus 3, sorry, m minus 3. Okay, some mistake on this. So now here also I can write that the m minus 3 times of m minus 2 equals to 0. So m equals to 3 comma 2, that is. So therefore cf equals to, it's coming that sorry, not 3, c1 times of e to the power 3z plus c2 e to the power 2z. Okay, so therefore we can write here the this function and this function from that. So now c1 times of x cube, okay, plus c2 times of x square, that is, that's the cf, where c1 and c2 are the arbitrary constant. Okay, that's very interesting sounds. Okay, arbitrary constant as like I take very easiest and funny fun. Okay, so now find the pi. So therefore, first of all, 1 by d naught square minus d naught. Sorry, that's not. So watching this, d naught square minus 5d naught plus 6 of e to the power z minus a. Okay, so now first of all we watching that. So 1 by d naught square minus 5 d naught plus 6 times of e to the power z minus 1 by d naught square minus 5 d naught plus 6 of a, that is. Okay guys, so now watching that, my dear fellows, that's become e to the power z times of 1 by d naught plus 1 whole square minus 5 d naught plus 1 times of and plus 6 of 1 and minus a, it's coming the left side. So now minus a times of 1 by d naught square minus 5 d naught plus 6. So now first of all that's become, okay, so d naught square minus 2 d naught plus 1 minus 5 d naught minus 5 plus 6, that's coming d naught square minus 3 d naught, and this coming the plus 2. Okay guys, so now 1 by, so first of all e to the power z times of 1 by d naught square minus 3 d naught plus 2 minus of a 1 by 6 common, so therefore 6 common of a plus d naught square minus 5 d naught by 6, that's is. So this from, okay, so now first of all it's coming the e to the z by, that's 1. So 2 common, so 1 plus d naught square minus 3 d naught by 2 and 1, also write the 1. Okay, so minus of 1 by 6 whole of 1 minus d naught square minus 5 d naught minus by 6 plus dot 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 of 1, so that's equals to, also remember the pi man, pi means, okay, the cf, you remember that the e to the power z by 2 times of 1 by this, and now it's coming the minus 1 by 6. Okay, it's coming 1 by 6, that is when minus and plus become minus, so 1 by 6. So e to the power z by 2 minus 1 by 6, that's mean that's coming, so now x plus a by 2 minus a by 6, and this the pi. Okay, now first of all I also say you the remember the cf. So now cf equals to, please say me, the c1 times of e to the power 3z plus c2 e to the power 2z. Okay, so we can write again c1 times of this q and c2 times of this square. Okay, so now that's mean I also write here, it's the e to the power 3z, that's mean x cube. Okay, so now here x equals to x plus a, therefore write here the x plus a as well. We also let the x plus a equal to e to the power z, therefore we write it. And now gs equals to cf plus pi, that's mean c1 times of x plus a whole cube plus c2 x plus a whole square plus x plus a by 2 minus a by 6, and here's the answer. And this the remembering the required answer. Okay, and first of all it's very interesting, easy, and it's as like the linear equation as well. It's again it's the homogeneous linear equation, here also the linear equation. Okay, so now bye bye, tata, goodbye.